Hi guys, for making this dish I've heated 5 teaspoons of oil in a cooker into which I'm adding finely sliced onions. Here I've taken 3 medium sized onions and I'm adding all of them into a cooker and I'm just sauteing it a little bit. To fasten up the process, I will be adding half a teaspoon of salt to it. We have to partially caramelize the onions. We don't have to make them completely brown. We have to give this texture to our onions. They are not fully brown, half brown onions will be okay. Now I'm adding diced potatoes into it. Make sure that the pieces are big enough. Just saute them a little bit. And to this I will be adding red chili powder, half a teaspoon, coriander powder. I'm taking more of a coriander powder. I will be adding 2 teaspoons of coriander powder to it. Make sure you're not putting haldi at all. Please do not add turmeric to it. Now I'm adding garam masala, half a teaspoon, and salt as per taste. Make sure that you put less salt this time because we have already added salt while we were doing with the onions. And sauteed all the spices well so that it's blended all together. And now I will be adding 2 medium sized tomatoes that I have roughly chopped. Just mix them well. And here I have taken half a cup of water. I will be adding half cup of water and just allow it to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Don't cover the lid. After 2 to 3 minutes it is looking like this. Just mash the tomatoes and the onions together. Mash them a little bit with the back of the ladle of whatever spatula you are using. It helps the aroma of the spices to infuse well in the vegetable. Now I will be adding soaked dal vadis into it. I have taken around 10 to 12 dal vadis. Make sure you soak them for about 15 minutes before cooking. And just mix them well so that it's blended all together. Now I'm again adding half a cup of water. And this time I will be cooking with the lid covered on top of it. Make sure you allow it to give 6 whistles. 6 whistles would be more than enough. And after that, as you can see, my dish is all done. Just check whether the dal vadi is been done or not. If it is still raw, then just cook for 2 more whistles. Here mine is perfectly done and your dish is ready. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.